As a regular visitor to Scarborough, I can quite honestly say I have never seen it like this before. This is the morning after last night's blizzard, and if anything, the snow's intensifying. Right, I'm going to go into town and track down some food. God. There's a hell of a side wind blowing towards the sea, and it's the snow's horizontal. It's the Grand Hotel looming in the distance. There you go, one man or woman with his or her dog on the beach. Having a hard time focusing. God, my hands are freezing. This is the oldest tramway in England. I think it's still running. Yeah, there you go, established 1881. That's how bad it is. It's a snowplow in Scarborough. Wow, geezer chucking grit all over the place. And traffic at a standstill. Salvation, Wetherspoons. Let's hope they're doing all day breakfast. All day breakfast has just been ordered. Heavy snow just arrived. Right, signing off.